Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to install WordPress on domain in Namecheap hosting. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in dashboard. On left side you see hosting list, so click on it and then you see hosting subscription. So this is our plan, and then you see go to cPanel, so click on it. Now redirecting to cPanel. Now we are in cPanel and then you see software section and then you see WordPress, so click on it and then you see WordPress management and then you see multiple button, so click on install and then you see software setup, so you can select your domain and then you see choose protocol and then you see choose the version you want to install. Now select latest and then you can add username and password and then you see multiple option, and if you want you can select theme. Now you see multiple theme, so click on install. Now checking the submitted data and then you see message the software was installed successfully. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you.